some more questions based on that, or like some more examination questions. Okay, when an integer n, okay, is divided by 8, then remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. What will be the remainder if 6n minus 1 is divided by 3 or divided by 8? You just write 8. Okay, an integer, a random integer n is divided by 8, it gives a remainder 3. They're asking you the question, if an integer called as 6n minus 1 is divided by 8, then what is it going to be? Yes, tell me, how do you do it? Now take some random thing. If for example, take something like this. What is 15 by 4? What is 15 by 4? Remainder. So 4 3s are 12, remainder is 3. What is 30 by 4? Remainder is 2. Okay, fine. What is 13 by 4? Remainder is 2. What is 26 by 4? Okay, 2. Now, what is happening over here? Okay, just forget this, not to get confused. What is happening over here? You're just multiplying the numerator by twice, and this value is also getting multiplied by twice. This is what is happening, is getting multiplied by twice. Now, the same thing, if I am doing something like this, 5 by 3 and 10 by 3. So 5 by 3 is going to give a remainder of 2. And 10 by 3 can give a remainder of 1, but before that will give a remainder of, if I'm just doing 3 into 2 is going to be 6, is going to give a remainder of 4. This is going to be this is going to go for 2 times, this is going to be divided by 2 times. Same thing. So whatever you are getting, that you're going to just multiply. And you're going to just like multiply it. That's all. The same concept we'll be just using it in our question here, and we'll be finding out the answer. Now, how do I proceed further? Now, if I get a remainder of 2 here, what I was doing, I was multiplying it with the same remainder here one, right? If I'm getting a remainder of 1, okay, if I'm getting a remainder of in this case, they ask me to find 6n minus 1 divided by 8. This is the thing they ask me. The n value you need to find. Okay. So in order to find out the remainder, what is the value of n going to be? You're just going to multiply with the same number into 2 or into 2, something like this. Here, the remainder for the earlier one was 3. I'm just going to multiply this 6 into 3 minus 1 divided by 8. 6 into 3 will become 18. 18 minus 1 will become 17. 17 divided by 8 will give you 16. The remainder is going to be 1 in this case. If I am just altering the question and I'm giving something like this, if n is divided by 7, and the remainder is 3, what will be the remainder of 5n if it is divided by 7? Now, the value of n is going to be the same value of the remainder. So 5 into 3 is going to be 15. 15 divided by 7 is going to give you remainder of 1. Okay. So this is the basic concept whenever they give you the question, something of this sort. Fine. These kind of problems also can be found multiple times. They have asked in exam. Just be careful with these things. Now, this is one question which has been debated a lot. Find the greatest value of b. So that 3, 0, a, 6, 8, b, a greater than b, such that a is greater than b is divisible by 11. Now I haven't explained what is the divisibility rule for 11. Now in 11, what happens? All the alternate odd numbers and alternate even numbers, the difference should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. How does it happen? Example, take this 8, 3, 4, 8, 5, 7, 1. Alternate numbers are going to be 8 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 1. And these alternate numbers are going to be 3 and 8, 8 and 7. What is the addition of this? 8 plus 4 is going to be 12. 12 plus 5 is going to be 17. 17 plus 1 is going to be 18. So 3 plus 8 is going to be 11. 11 plus 7 is going to be 18. So 18 minus 18, it is going to give us 0. So this number is divisible by 11. Or the other case, it has to be multiple of 11. 71940. Okay. Now the alternate numbers 7990, 1 and 4. It is going to be 15 minus 15. 7 plus 9 is going to give you 16. 16 minus 5, it is going to give you 11. So now this is a multiple of 11. Obviously, this is also divisible by 11. This is the rule for divisibility of 11. Fine. Now the given number is 30A68B. Now they are asking it is divisible by 11, and they are telling A is greater than B. In that case, they are asking you to find what is 11 plus A minus 6 plus B equal to 0. What is this? What is this value they're asking? Give it a try, and after that I'll help you. This is the most famous question debated on internet. What is the value of A and B? What is the value of A? 6, 7. Others? Not understand only. What's the divisibility rule for 11? Difference of alternate numbers should be 0. Okay. The divisibility rule for 11 is difference of alternate numbers should be 0. Now, what is the alternate numbers here? 3A, 8. And this is going to be 0, 6, B, right? So 3 plus 8 is going to be 11 plus A, 11 plus A minus 0, 6, B. This is going to be 6. Yes, this is what you got. This is what you got, right? Now you have to find out the value of A and B. A and B. Now, what will you take the value of A? What will you take the value of B? Firstly, 11 minus 6 is going to be 5 plus A minus B. That can be equivalent to what? It can be either 0 or 11. 0 or 11. The first case. In case if you are taking 5 plus A minus B equal to 0, then A minus B equal to minus 5. Obviously, this cannot be the solution. This cannot be the solution. So this is being discarded. So you're left with 5 plus A minus B equal to 11. Or in this case, A minus B will be equivalent to 6. If A minus B equivalent to 6, what are they telling here? The value of A has to be greater than B. Value of A has to be greater than B. Now, how will you start proceeding from here? Sorry, A is 6. Okay. B 0. Okay. A is 6 and B is 0 I'm taking. So in that case, it is greater than no. That's all done. Okay. Then apart from it, 7, 1. Okay. Why?
Between 7 A equal to 7 and B equal to minus. Answer will be 6, and if they add all the will get 11.
We'll get 11. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? Okay. Give a try. All are trying good only. But tell me, I need you people to think. If I tell you everything, then think. Others also think. Others online. What are the options for A minus B?
So B can be equal to 3.
B can be equal to 3.
If A can be equal to 9.
Okay.
We have to find the highest value for B. So B can be highest when A is equal to 9. So
Now, what is the given question? Find the greatest value of B. Greatest value of B. Now, if A is, as you tell, if A is 7, B is 1, you're getting 6, you're telling. But if I increase A and I make it 9, the maximum value, the B value is going to be 3. This is the greatest value of B for which you can get the answer 6. Now, the value of B is going to be question. All are like simply telling random answers. 1, 7, you said 6, 0. But the greatest, no, assumption also, you should read the question. No, if you leave this one point, greatest, then your answer goes wrong. Your answer might be right when I'm telling like lowest value of B. Lowest value of B can be 0. At that time, your assumption might be right. But if you're not reading the question properly, the answer is gone. You are losing, you know the answer, but you're losing marks. Right? A silly mistake. No, what? See, until this equation, everyone got. Until this equation, everyone got. Now, the only thing we want is A minus B should be equivalent to 6. In order for this A minus B equivalent to 6, where A is greater than B, I need to find the greatest value of B. What and all, like if I substitute, I'm going to get 6, 7 minus 1, 8 minus 2, 9 minus 3. That is the maximum thing which I can get. More than that, I cannot go, right? I cannot go for 2-digit numbers. I cannot go. Because this is a single digit number, this is a single digit number. Obviously, I cannot go for 2-digit number. The greatest number for A is going to be 9. If A is 9, you have to subtract it with something. Don't be 3. Find the value of A is 6. Similar question. Find the smallest value of, okay, here smallest value of 4 to A, 4, A to B, where A is greater than B and divisible by 11. I want the smallest value of A. Smallest value of A. Okay. Okay, so here, what's the answer for this? 4, alternate one. 4A, 8 is going to be 2 plus. So 12 plus A minus 6 plus B can be equivalent to 0 or 11. If I put 0, it is going to be 6 plus A minus B equal to 0 or A plus B equal to minus 6. It cannot be the option. So A minus B equal to 6, 5. A minus B equal to 5. Where if A minus B equal to 5, then the smallest value of A can be what? So 5. So 5 minus 0 can be. So 5 minus 0 can be the smallest. Okay. So these are some of the questions. Now, another important thing. See, now it is your exam times and everything are coming. Okay. So So some people might be very cool. They may be chilling. No issues if I pass or don't pass, I will get into college. That is the status of some people. Some people will be very much stressed out and always studying, still not be able to grasp things. It's okay. Whatever you know, start preparing slowly. Okay. Don't take stress too much, and that also will affect a lot. Okay. It's okay. Just an exam. Just an exam. Okay. So don't go into stress and depression. All don't want. Just stay calm. Okay. Just an exam, just an entrance exam. Fine. So apart from studies, you're having your health, your personal life, and everything. Don't spoil those things. Okay. Because I have seen people going into complete stress because of exams. So don't get into that. Okay. So obviously, if you just prepare whatever topics I said and just go with the fresh mind and just start attempting the easiest ones. Easiest ones would be the GK first and the logical. Then sit with the quants in the last because most of you people might be finding quants difficult. If you're finding quants easy means it would be the first thing for me. For me, quants would be the first thing I take up. If you find quants difficult, take it in the last. Start doing it one way. So start doing the others. Okay. So plan accordingly.